It's Mate 10. Who the hell are flipping you?
Who the flip are you?
Hey guys, it's time to talk about Huawei's comeback, and by that I mean let's talk about the Huawei Mate 10. Now this 10 series of phones are so far pretty boring compared to Apple's and the Galaxies and the LGs, while other companies are removing home button and bezels for that futuristic look, truly ending the era. Huawei on the other hand moving backward by introducing a home button on the front. Like seriously, all these years they had it on the back. They could have done what Samsung or LG has done way before with P10 family, but I guess they are slow learners, and finally with the Mate 10, we will indeed see the best of Huawei. Huawei is currently the world's number 3rd smartphone manufacturer. They have pretty good sales in different markets, but the number 1 market where Huawei must pick up the pace is North America, where they are seriously challenged by the likes of Samsung and Apple. Huawei CEO Richard Yu told in an interview that they're ready to take on the Apple's iPhone 8. He says, and I quote, "We will have even more powerful product, the Mate 10, which has much longer battery life with a full screen display, quicker changing speed, better photographing capabilities, and many other features that will help us compete with Apple." Now they're finally following the trend and introducing their own version of bezel-less madness, and they're calling it Huawei Entire View Display. Samsung has its Infinity display, LG has Full Vision, Apple will have some kind of name to their display as well, and Huawei has Entire View Display. I gotta say it's a nice name. So we'll see a 6.1-inch Quad HD display with 18:9 aspect ratio, very minimal bezels, and this concept of Mate 10 is actually trademarked by Huawei themselves recently, so final device could end up looking like this. It's a nice flat screen with no curved edges. Finally, with the Mate 10, we will see an upgraded CPU based on 10nm, and it's called Kirin 970. It's officially confirmed, and we got a leak that shows off what this 970 chipset is all about. So 8 cores configuration clocked at 2.8 GHz, very high clock speed, 64-bit architecture, 10nm manufacturing process, LPDDR4 RAM support, dual SIM LTE, and dual camera support up to 42 megapixels. Along with the new chipset, Huawei executive also revealed 4 key areas of the improvement for the Mate 10. The new flagship phone will have a full-screen 6.1-inch display and will focus on excellent battery life, eliminating software lag, optimizing 4G performance, and being ready for 5G. He also said that Mate 10 will be able to take great photographs. Now the Mate 10 will have that machine learning optimization as well, so over the time of the usage, it will perform better and better. The Mate 10 joined the likes of the Galaxy Note 8, LG V30, and the Pixel XL2 for that heavyweight phablet title race. The best thing about the Mate 10 could be its battery life, so you can expect about 4,000 mAh on it, just like the previous Mate 9, and combined with that 10nm process build, it could provide you some really good stats. The Mate 10 is set to arrive with dual camera, 3D sensing tech paired with iris scanning, and AR support like the iPhone 8, so seems like Huawei really wants to challenge Apple here. Huawei will officially unveil their Mate 10 on October 16, and it's going to cost more than any of the previous Huawei releases. We have only one report about the prices, saying that it's going to be close to $900, and for those who can't afford it, Huawei might offer a Mate 10 Lite for $555 that will have a smaller 5.8-inch display. Right now there are not much leaks about the phone, but we'll see more soon, and again the official announcement is on October 16th, so yeah, Huawei is looking for a comeback, and they are the world's 3rd largest smartphone makers. We'll see how it will go against the competitors. Let me know your thoughts on this, and I will see you guys soon. Peace out.